A fissured tongue is a variation of normal tongue anatomy, and it consists of having these single midline fissures. There could be fissures along the side or multiple fissures on the anterior 2/3 of the dorsal surface of the tongue. There are various patterns, lengths, and depths of these fissures, but the main cause is often unknown. It does develop with patients who are a bit more older, and we tend to see it in cases of hyposalivation, so if there's less saliva being produced. It affects about 1% of the population. It can happen with increasing age and lack of saliva production, but it's also seen in patients with Down syndrome, geographic tongue, and it's also a key feature of the Melkerson-Rosenthal syndrome. So the key thing to note about fissured tongue is it requires improved oral hygiene in the area because the fissures can become secondarily inflamed. They can also cause bad breath or halitosis because food can impact inside the fissures. It's important that brushing the fissures is needed to remove any food impaction. Generally, fissured tongues are said to be benign, and they don't tend to cause pain unless they are inflamed. So the key thing is keeping the fissures and the tongue generally quite clean.